Hello everyone, Anthony here from Follicle. Setting your needle length. First you must establish your machine's stroke length to maximize the needle length and set it properly. My machine just happens to be an FK Irons XO with one of my Follicle SMP grips. My favorite machine stroke lengths are 4 to 4.5. The longer the needle protrudes within the boundaries of your machine stroke, the much more refined the pigment impressions are going to be. This includes no drips or pulling, with a much cleaner hit throughout, and much easier to see the impressions. Because of this, there's much less wiping required, which means less irritation and overall better retention. It doesn't matter what machine stroke you're using, as long as it's not below 3.5. It's my preference. I just don't like it. You want to make sure you set your needle to the machine's maximum stroke length to utilize it properly. The proper way to set it will be the same across no matter what stroke length machine you're using. First, you're going to screw the grip fully clockwise until it stops. Then you will cycle the machine on and off. If the needle is still protruding, you're going to turn the grip counterclockwise a few clicks. Then cycle the machine back on and off again to make sure the needle goes back into the housing a bit. Repeat until no needle protrusion sticks out when the machine is off. What this does is allows you to get maximum needle protrusion, but also will still siphon up pigment properly. If your needle hangs out and does not go back into the housing enough, it will not pick up or deliver enough pigment properly. Okay friends, make sure you follow for more SMP content. Thank you.